Hey guys, my name is Leonard Slan. So today I'm gonna show you how to do customized cape at Regale Barber Supply. So I'm gonna do it to you so you guys see how's that work. So let's go. Okay, so the first thing we're gonna go here to the website regalebarbersupply.com, and if you don't know the URL, just Google it, Regale Barber Supply, and click on the official website regalebarbersupply.com, and this is the page going to be open like this. Okay, so now you're gonna go here in a custom builder tab and click on adult custom cape, and here you can see solid color cape and also two-tone colors capes as well. So today we did a custom cape for a barber school. Let me click on it. And the good news, we are also offering a discount. It depends on your order quantity. So if you buy a one piece, three piece, or 20 plus, is those that's the price is according to the quantity. So when you click on customize, it's gonna be open like this, and you see everything you need for your cape is gonna be on this page. So you decide whatever you want. So for me, I have a logo and I designed the cape by the customer requirement. Gonna go first for a background color. I'm gonna do black color for a background, but you can pick any color whatever you want it. We have a wide collection of colors here. You can pick any one. So let me select the black and then click here, and after background we're gonna go now to the trim color. So the same thing for a trim color, you can change the color whatever you want it, any color. So let me click on white and then click here, and now we're gonna upload the logo. When you upload the logo, select the logo here. When you upload, it's download here, and after upload the logo, you can rotate wherever you want it or the direction you want it, and also you can change the size as well. So let me put this in the center and then click on right here. The next option is upload the text. If you want it or not, it's up to you. So let me write as example Carville, the school name, and you can change the font whatever you want it, and also the color scheme as well. So you can also change the size of the font too. So let me put there in the center, and if you want to change any color you can do it. And let me click on white and then click here, and the next option is neck closure. So if you like the elasticated hook, you can click on it, or snap closer. We have both options, so you can pick any one you want it. So let me select elastic hook, click here, and the next tab is size chart. So you can see we have a pretty big size of the cape, like the length 68 inch, 58, 55 inch width, and also we are offering a large neck size is probably 29 inch. It's a pretty big. So now you click on agree. I agree and click here. In this field, please enter the number of quantity you wish to order. The applicable discount will be automatically calculated and applied based on the quantity you entered. So once done, click here to proceed. So in the next tab is a special note. If you have any specific requirement regarding your custom cape, such as logo color scheme or any other design preference, so please feel free to include them there, and then click right here. Now the last option is the agreement. So in agreement you read all above conditions, and the good thing, the capes will be done in 2 weeks at least. And then click on I agree to the terms and click right here. So now the final step is add to cart. when you click add to cart. So you can see the all information here. You already put for a customized cape, and just take a cross check, take a review of the all information, and click on a checkout. So it's done. So I hope you like the way I did this video to you. So it's very easy, you can also do it. So okay guys, see you in the next video with a customized smocks apron as well. Thank you.